Here are two examples of snowflake monograms that I have created. For this tutorial, I'm recreating the snowflake on the left. On the left sidebar, click on the image. You can search for snowflakes and choose the one that fits best for your own design. The snowflake images are free and free to save in Design Space. Add the image to canvas. Click on the snowflake. On the upper right corner of the image is the rotate tool. I want to rotate the snowflake so that the point is at a vertical line. I'm just aligning it so that it's close enough to my last creation. On the sidebar to the left, click on the shape button and click the square icon. On the bottom left corner, click the unlock tool. Now I can resize the square into a rectangle shape. I'm just going to center the rectangle and the snowflake. On the top bar, click on the align button. Align horizontally, then align vertically. On the bottom of the right sidebar, click on the slice button. Once the image is sliced, click on the layers in the center of the snowflake and remove all layers. Highlight the layers. Click on the right sidebar and click the delete button on the top. Repeating the same step, on the sidebar to the left, click on the shape button and click on the square icon. On the bottom left corner, click the unlock tool. Resize the square into a long line. Adjust the line and position at the cut of the snowflake. If the line looks good, right-click on the line and duplicate. Both lines are placed at the cut of each end. On the bottom right sidebar, click on the Attach, then click on Weld. In order for the Design Space to print this design, the image must be welded together. Now to add text, click on the left side toolbar and type in the name and choose the font style. Phoebe is my dog's name. You can click on the link in the description box below to see how I applied this design as an HTV on my dog's bandana. Yay, we now have a snowflake name monogram. Have fun and create your own design. If you learned anything new in this video, smash the like button and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.